They say the credit repair process take forever. If I talk to somebody with real bad credit, they be like, "Oh man, I gotta wait a whole year or 6 months now." Now they go try to make moves and get approved for things before they got their credit repaired. The cheap route costs you way more in the long run. Thinking that you're cutting your time frame down, but in reality, you're putting yourself at a disadvantage of things with high interest rates, and on top of the fact you're gonna have high monthly payments. Now you're gonna be in a tight spot anyway. So that whole process of thinking like, all right, it's gonna take forever to build up to this point, it's going to take you forever to do a bankruptcy. What you going to do? Wait that 5 to 7 years to get that bankruptcy to fall off? No, you're going to pay somebody to get that removed. So overall, the cheap route always costs me more in the long run. In the long run, you're going to have a high car payment. You're going to have a high monthly payment on that mortgage. Now you got bad credit. Now on top of it, you got low income with high monthly expenses. So now your overhead is so high to the point there's no possible way that you can get paid. What? Because you didn't want to wait 2 to 3 months to get your credit repaired. It just really don't make sense in the long run.